Alright guys, so today is a really exciting day for me and some of you fans of my 2015 Lancer GT. So this thing right here, my stock hood, is going away. I'm putting on a new carbon fiber hood. So first, pop the hood, remove the stock hood. So first part of removing the hood, because my these windshield wiper fluid thingy, I gotta disconnect it so I can attach it to my new hood. So my stock hood came with all this protection, so just gotta use the end of a pliers, end of a hammer to kind of wedge it out. So all these little clips came out, and we just removed the bottom 3 clips. We're trying to just pull up this whole thing right now. That's what we're trying to do. Alright, so we just went ahead and removed the windshield wiper fluid thingy, the hose. So we just connected it, and right now all that's left to remove is 2 bolts here, and same on the other side. So my brother Clement is helping me out to remove the stock hood. He's trying to figure out what size to use. Let's see, he's trying to use a 12mm right now. Is it 12? Mm-hmm. The hood, no longer having the stock hood. And how was it? Pretty easy. Yeah, the only annoying part was when we took it off, we left this thing on, so it was stuck on it. So pro tip, next time when you guys take off the hood, don't have that, just lean it on your shoulders, it's easier. So we're gonna put on the carbon fiber hood right now. Just successfully installed the carbon fiber hood on, just hand tied it. And what I'm going to do right now with all aftermarket products, test the fitment. So we're going to gently close it down before even putting on that windshield wiper fluid tube thingy. Make sure the fitment on both sides is equal, is flush, and then we'll tighten it again and then put the windshield wiper fluid tube. So we just managed to fit these little windshield wiper thingy. Oh man, that was scary because the fitment was pretty tight, so I was like, should I force it? What if I break the carbon fiber? But we managed to get it in. So all we're doing right now is just connecting these tubes and we're all set. Just finished the little windshield wiper hose management over there. Just tape it down with some black tape, and yeah, I'm gonna close the hood and show you guys how it looks.